Welcome back to Winner's Capsule. Today we'll discuss some NEET MDS physiology questions. Move to first question. Which of the following secretions has a very high pH? A. Gastric juice, B. Pancreatic juice, C. Bile in the gallbladder, and D. Saliva. Answer is option B. Pancreatic juice. The pH of pancreatic juice is almost 7.5, whereas the pH of gastric juice is between 0.9 to 1.2. Saliva it is between 6.35 to 6.85, whereas bile in bladder is 8 to 8.3. So the secretion which has highest pH is pancreatic juice. Second one, urine urobilinogen is absent in A. Obstructive jaundice, B. Hepatocellular jaundice, C. Hemolytic jaundice, and D. All of the above. Answer is option A. Obstructive jaundice. In obstructive jaundice, urobilinogen is absent, whereas in hemolytic and hepatocellular jaundice, the content of urobilinogen is found in an increased amount. So, urobilinogen is absent in obstructive jaundice. Third one, surfactant is secreted by A. Pneumocyte 1, B. Pneumocyte 2, C. Blood cells, and D. Pulmonary vessels. Answer is option B. Pneumocyte 2. Surfactants is nothing but it's a lipoprotein complex that is formed from phospholipids and other lipids, proteins and ions. This is secreted by the type 2 pneumocytes and Clara cells. The main function of surfactant is to reduce the surface tension. So surfactants is secreted by pneumocyte 2. Fourth one, Kussmaul's respiration occurs in response to A. Decrease in pH of blood, B. Increase in pH of blood, C. Obstructive pulmonary disease, and D. Carbon monoxide poisoning. Answer is option A. Decrease in pH of blood. A decrease in pH of blood or severe acidosis that increases the rate of depth of respiration is known as Kussmaul's breathing. So, Kussmaul's respiration occurs in response to decrease in pH of the blood or severe acidosis. Here, the answer is option A. Decrease in pH of blood. Fifth one, proximal renal tubule is most permeable to A. Sodium, B. Potassium, C. Bicarbonate, and D. Ammonia. Answer is option A. Sodium. Sixth one, in excitable cells, repolarization is closely associated with one of the following events. A. Sodium influx, B. Sodium efflux, C. Potassium influx, and D. Potassium efflux. Answer is option D. Potassium efflux. In resting membranes, sodium ions and chlorine ions are found more outside, whereas potassium ions are found more inside. During depolarization, there occurs influx of sodium ions, and during repolarization, efflux of potassium ions occurs. So, in excitable cells, repolarization is associated with potassium efflux. Seventh one, the clearance of a substance when its concentration in plasma is 15 mg per deciliter, its concentration in urine is 150 mg per deciliter, and urine flow is 2 ml per minute is A. 2 ml per minute, B. 20 ml per minute, C. 125 ml per minute, and D. 200 ml per minute. Here the answer is 20 ml per minute. The equation for solving this question is as follows. Before that, we need to know what is renal plasma clearance. Renal plasma clearance is the volume of the plasma from which a substance is completely removed by the kidney in a given amount of time. So, equation for renal clearance of a substance is concentration in urine multiplied by urine flow per unit time divided by arterial plasma level of that substance. We have to substitute the value. Concentration in urine is given as 150 mg per deciliter and urine flow is given as 2 ml per minute. and concentration in plasma is given as 15 milligram per deciliter. We have to substitute 150 into 2 divided by 15. The answer will be 20 milliliter per minute. The next question. In myasthenia gravis, A. There is lack of acetylcholine. B. Lack of acetylcholine receptors. C. Muscles are rigid and tough. And D. All of the above. Answer is option B. Lack of acetylcholine receptors. Myasthenia gravis, it's an autoimmune disease. Body, it develops antibodies to its own acetylcholine receptors and destroys them. Even though the acetylcholine receptors are destroyed, but there occurs the release of acetylcholine as normal. In myasthenia gravis, the muscle contraction will be slow and weak. There occurs fatigue. In severe cases, paralysis of muscle also occurs. So here the correct answer is option B, lack of acetylcholine receptors. Ninth one, two major types of muscle fibers found in humans. A. White and brown. B. White and yellow. C. White and grey. And D. White and red. Answer is option D, white and red. So based on the contraction time, skeletal muscles can be divided into red muscles and white or pale muscles. Red muscles, it contains large number of type 1, that is slow fibers, whereas in pale muscle or white muscle, it contains large number of type 2 or fast fibers. So the two major type of muscle fibers found in humans is white and red muscle fibers. 10th one, SA node act as a pacemaker of the heart because of the fact that A is capable of generating impulses, B has rich sympathetic innervations, C has poor cholinergic innervations, D generates impulses at the highest rate. Answer is option D, generates impulses at the highest rate. So SA node act as a pacemaker because it generates impulse at a highest rate. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.